Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the NYC Frothe hoseless lift. What I'm going to do is I will wash the car, this car in particular, with it. It's not particularly dirty, but it's not clean either, so you know it's not covered like in all kind of oil and grime and whatever, but it's covered in dust and such, and also some bird droppings and bug residue. So we'll see how much it's going to clean off. What I'm going to do is that I will spray the chemical or the product on the surface, and then with a number of microfiber towels, by folding and changing them and so on, I'm going to wipe the surface down, and then I'm going to use another dry microfiber, clean dry microfiber, to, let's say, to finish or buff the surface. Let's roll.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you, and there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. Doesn't matter if we make mistakes, which I can promise that we'll do. Just hold my hand and we will be okay. Yeah, it's true, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. We pick up the pieces and start again. Don't give up, we're holding on. For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
Okay, boys and girls, that was the Ammo NYC Frothe hoseless lift. It cleaned the car nicely. It has a nice refreshing scent. I cannot really tell you what is it exactly, but some sort of refreshing scent. Other than that, did I achieve exactly the same result as using the pressure washer, pre-wash, contact wash, drying, whatever? Absolutely not. But I think it's a very nice result given how much effort you need to put into and how much of chemical and such you use. Within minutes you can clean the car, no problem. Other than that, it removed the dirt nicely from the surface. It has a crazy good lubrication, so very good lubrication, loads of foam. What it had trouble with is the bug residue. The older bugs, obviously it couldn't move. The fresher bug residue, it nicely lifted it. Then also there was a massive bird dropping on the top of the car, on the roof. I had to attack it a couple of times, but finally I managed to remove it mostly, but it was disgusting. It was full of seeds and burnt on and so on. So I have to say it was handling it very well. And another one, all these plastic grills, like at the front, or also some cracks and crevices. Obviously, wherever you can open the doors and such, you can easily just wipe it around. But wherever you cannot open and there are some gaps, then of course you have to wait until, I don't know, it dries out or the wind blows it, or I don't know. But other than that, I can hands-on heart recommend. It's a crazy good stuff. I really liked it. You just need to keep it at its own place. Shouldn't, you know, like compare it to a proper wash. But you can achieve very nice results, as you can see. So I can hands-on heart recommend. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.